Let's say you didn't watch and you accidentally just clicked install in a game. Then it will install it in this location. So let's see what happens. Now it's installing. And now in this folder, we will find the game under program files x86. If you can't find it, you can just look for the name of the game. So for example, Heroes of the Storm. And you want the folder with program files x86. And there you can also see the number, so you can find it manually. So now it finished installing. And the folder now is 15 gigabytes big. So now I copy this folder, Heroes of the Storm, and put it where I wanted to have it in the first place, which is in my Blizzard folder. I copy instead of cutting to avoid file loss in case something goes wrong during the process. So now it finished. And now I delete this folder. I'm going to have to relaunch Battle.net now. Just restart it. And just now it said Hoga, so play. But now it says install. It can't find the game anymore because I moved it to a different location. Now we just say, is it already installed? Find the local game files. You click on this. And we go to this location. This was under Z, Media, G2, Blizzard. We select the entire Heroes of the Storm folder. And now it's like checking a couple things. And now it works. Now you can play it. And this is also how you move your games if you want to get it to a new drive. So right now my Hearthstone is installed in the Blizzard folder on my G2 drive. Let's say I want to put it onto my G drive instead. Then I copy Hearthstone and I paste it into the new folder. Now I delete the original folder. I will restart Battle.net. And the same thing that we just saw with Heroes of the Storm. It can't find the game anymore. Just now it said play, now it says install. Is it already installed? Find the local game files. So we go to this new location now where Hearthstone is. On my G drive, Blizzard new. I select Hearthstone. And now we can play. And it works. Whenever you activate compatibility mode with Proton, for each application here, or game, it creates a folder in the .steam Debian installation Steam apps compat data folder. So it just created this folder for me, which is for this Battle.net launcher.x. So this is where it will save configuration files and authentication files. I haven't done anything with add-ons, but I think this is also where add-ons would be stored. And these folders are kind of like Windows-style environments in a folder. And if you delete this connection, if you say remove non-Steam game, it will delete this folder. So before you disconnect anything here from Steam, you should always save your configuration files, save states, screenshots, anything that you might want to keep. So right now I have Battle.net installed on my G2 drive under the folder Blizzard. Let's say I want to move Battle.net to a new drive, the application itself, Battle.net. Before you do this, you should go into your folder and you should back up anything important. Because we will have to reattach this, which means we have to remove this, which will delete the folder. So we do the same thing. We take Battle.net and we copy paste it to my drive G. I made a new folder now as an example. It copies very fast because it's not very big. And then I delete the original Battle.net folder. And now this won't start anymore because it was connected to the folder that this was inside the folder that we just deleted. I'm not sure if there's a way to keep this and connect it to the new one. I tried it through properties and change it here, but it doesn't start. So I have to remove it. Your games are still here, so that's fine, and Battle.net is still here. Now we just need to reconnect Battle.net. So we say add a game, add a non-Steam game. Just like before. Then the new folder under G, Blizzard new, Battle.net, Battle.net launcher.x. Add selected programs. Now we have it here again. We sadly lost all the icons and pictures, but not a big deal. Properties again. Compatibility. Force to use. Proton 9. And the folder was deleted. And also the authentication file, if you used don't log me out of session, you lose that too. So now we have to log back in again. And when we just launched the new Battle.net launcher.x here, it created a new folder. If it doesn't show you the login button, then you can use enter to get in. And now we just need to find the local game files again for all the games that you have installed. So for Hearthstone on Heroes of the Storm, for example. So that works now. And that works too now. So now we have Battle.net on a different drive than the games. And now you can play from this new position.